Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you for doing that. Thank you for your love and your support. In today's tutorial, darlings, we'll be learning how to make this turbanator. Just look at this. It's a turbanator. Can you see it has a glowing with a bias tape and turban cap. So this is the material that we'll be needing for this project. So we'll be needing our bias. So this is how the bias look like. Can you see? You can just buy a whole pack of bias, and this is our accessory, and that is our accessory, and this is the cap I'll be using for this DIY. Just look at it, and this is the quilling I'll be working with, and I'll be using quilling. I'll be using tape rule, our needle and thread, our glue gum, our scissors. Just take a look what I'm doing, and this is the turban cap I'll be working with. So just look at it. Just look at it. I'll be showing you. So this is the bias tape. This we're going to do, just divide it into just like this, and can you see? I fold it around the edges of the quilling. Can you see? Then you sew it down. Can you see? You open the quilling and you sew it down. Can you see? Just sew it down, and it's very easy to do. You put it in and you sew it down. I'm showing you once again. Just sew it down. It's very easy to do. So I'm done with the bias tape. I'm done with the bias tape. Can you see? So I'll be showing you the measurement I used for the quilling. So let's take the measurement. So just see what I'm doing. Can you see? So 36 make it 1 yard. We already have 1 yard. Taking another measurement again. I repeat myself again. 36 inches is a yard. 36 inches is a yard. So making 2 yard. So next measurement. Let's see what is that. So let's say we have 2.5 yard. That's 2 yard and 90 inches. So we have 2 yard and 90 inches. So can you see? And the next one is 29 inches, the one we're going to be using for the bow. So what we're going to be doing in running station. You don't need to go to the bias part. We have already print that part. We don't need to go to that part. Just at the edges, just tie with a rope just like this, and you tie it. Make sure the tying is so tight. Make sure it's so tight. You cut it. You come to this side again. You fold and you tie. It. Can you see? So easy to do. Then you cut it. So the next thing we're doing now, we're going to be doing a running station. You're going to take your needle and thread and you form your running station. So you keep doing that, and when you get to the last after you have already do what did I call it? After you have already in running station, the next thing you're going to be doing, you're going to secure that part. You sew it so tight. You sew it in and out so it's not going to loose back. Can you see? You sew in and out. Make sure the sewing is so tight, very very tight. You fold and pull it in just like this. Can you see? I put it in just like this. So we're doing. So we sew in and out. Sew it in and out. You secure that part. Can you see? So the next thing we're doing now, we're going to be fixing it to our turban. You can put it at side, on top, and the other side. It just depends. But when you want to fix this, I would advise you to use I would advise you to use a fascinator stand so you can get the point when you want to tack it. So you're going to tack it in and out. So you make sure you sew it tight, just the way we are doing this. It's very easy to do. Can you see? Just secure that part in and out. Make sure the sewing is so tight. Your sewing must be so tight, and can you see? Can you see? Then you cut that part out. Cut it out. Can you see? So the next thing we'll be doing now, I'm going to be covering that part. Yeah, we're going to be covering that part with this our accessory. So you're going to be covering this with your accessory. Can you see? Just take a hot glue and you add to it. Can you see? Just a drop of glue on it for you to cover that part. So this is the second one. Can you see? Just move that to the back and you cover that part. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? You fix it inside. Going to take the screw and fix it inside. Just know how to press it down. So you see. You press it down. You're going to press it down. You see. So I'm done with this, and this is the final look of our turbanator. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're subscribed, thank you for doing that. Thank you for your love and your support. And that's it. It's so beautiful. Can you see? It's just so beautiful. Just take a look.